Welcome. You're listening to Wi-Fi, where we connect what we know with who made it. I'm Keith Whitley, and today let's talk about the Reticular Activating System, or RAS, which is one of the most astonishing creations within the human brain. A complex network of neurons nestled in the brainstem that acts like a gatekeeper of consciousness. Without it, our minds would be flooded with every sound, sight, and sensation all at once, leaving us helplessly distracted and overwhelmed. This small yet powerful cluster of cells filters the chaos of the external world, choosing what information should reach our conscious awareness and what should fade into the background. It decides whether we notice the gentle hum of a refrigerator or tune it out, whether we can focus on a friend's voice amid the noise of a crowded restaurant, or whether we catch the faint sound of our name even when distracted. This selective attention allows us to live with focus, clarity, and purpose. What makes it even more amazing is how deeply it reflects the divine wisdom embedded in human design. The RS doesn't just help us pay attention to the outside world, it aligns with our inner thoughts, beliefs, and desires. It essentially becomes a mirror of our mindset. When a person fixates on fear, anger, or complaint, the RAS obediently highlights more of those things in their surroundings. Yet, when gratitude, faith, and hope guide our thoughts, the RAS illuminates beauty, opportunity, and blessings everywhere we turn. It makes tangible the spiritual truth that we do not see the world merely as it is, but as we are inside. This remarkable system, created with exquisite precision, connects the physical and the spiritual, translating our inner focus into external experience. It is not random evolution or mere biological coincidence. It is evidence of divine intention, a glimpse of the Creator's genius. God miraculously designed the RAS so that it not only sustains our attention but shapes our perception of reality itself, enabling us to consciously participate in the creation of our experience. When we pray, meditate, or direct our thoughts toward what is good and uplifting, the RAS responds by filtering in more of that goodness, almost as if tuning our minds to the frequency of grace. It keeps us alert when danger is near, centers us when life feels chaotic, and reminds us that our perception can always be renewed by changing our focus. Every heartbeat, every spark of awareness, every moment of clarity we experience passes through this divine neural gateway. It is both a scientific marvel and a spiritual wonder, a constant companion that connects our thoughts to our reality, our consciousness to our Creator. Through it, we are invited to see that faith and focus are intertwined, that what we choose to look for becomes what we see, and what we see becomes the world we live in. The reticular activating system is not only a marvel of neuroscience, but also a testament to God's miraculous craftsmanship, a perfect fusion of biology and divinity. Its existence reminds us that we are fearfully and wonderfully made, that our perception is sacred, and that even in the quiet depths of the brain stem, the fingerprints of God's design are unmistakably present. So that's today's signal on Wi-Fi, a world filled with wonder written by a creator who connects all things, from atoms to galaxies, from yesterday to forever. Don't forget, science explores how things happen, but faith reminds us why. I'm Keith Whitley, and now, you know the truth. This was Wi-Fi. Stay curious, stay connected, and we will see you here next Wednesday.